Hello everyone, today I will show you the 5 different ways to do the sum in Excel. So the very first method is using a classic sum function. For that you have to use the sum function equal sum and define a range. Hit enter, it will do the sum for you. The second method is using a subtotal function and use the number 9 for the summation and then select a range, hit enter, it will do the sum for you. The third one is very quick and easy. Just select a range and look at the bottom right corner. There is a sum is already done for you. Just click on it, it will copy the value and then just paste it here. Now fourth method is using auto sum function. Just click onto the cell that you want to show the total and click on auto sum, it will do the total for you. You can use these functions for the rows as well. Now fifth method is very quick and easy, which involves a keyboard shortcut in it. For that one, select the cells that you want to show the total and press Alt equals.